Hallo, dit is een Softimage 2010. We open it here and I remove a lot of them. Now I started unrecorded by working with the screwdriver, and I think I can show you this one. No. And here is the screwdriver, okay? And what is really interesting is here it has, this is working with a curve, this one, the curve, and it has to be exactly here, and I make it smaller. You know, it can be on this X or on this X, and we did it on the Y X. So here we can make a cylinder through, you know. We go to primitive and polygon mass and choose a cylinder. But we don't do that. We go by the revolution, and that's, we go here, curve, and then we draw the curve by draw cubic by CVs, and then we revolve it. So let's go back and open another one. I think this one can show you what can of worms you can open. Yeah, let's go here. Yeah, that is a good example. It is very tiny, as you see here, very tiny, but this is very important. We shouldn't get this because this overextended, and when you have that, then you got in trouble. So all we can do to cure it is go here and then go to the T key and make this active, and go to the V and then go here and go here and put it exactly there, right? Then maybe it's not perfect yet, but pretty close. And then you have that here too, of course. Okay, you have that here too. But let's go back now and show you how it works with the we go here on this one here, and then we go to curve. You have a lot of curves, right? They're the top, and then we click here, and then here, 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 and here. Okay, and then you click on the key on the keyboard, and then on the T key now, and well, actually no, T key, we just need those, we don't need this one, and then the V key, and a little bit like that. I think that's better. It's still a big screwdriver though. Now we go to we create something, and we can have two possibilities. We go here and then extrusion, no, sorry about that, revolution around axis. And there it is, you see. Now we can work here, say 6 or 8, and have it a return. You see that, but that's not what we want. So we go here and I go to absolute and give here 8, and here we give 8 too, and then give it a return. And then when we go to shade it and turn it around, no, we cannot do that here, sorry about that. When we go here and turn it around, then we see that we have 8. You see there's a little bit over that green stuff that shouldn't be there, right? Now we have here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we have 8 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's okay, right? And we can always go to selection and go to revolution, and then we got everything back, you know. So, but now we have another problem, and that is we go to, click on the U key, and then we click with the left mouse button, and the polygons doesn't come the way they should come, and that's because it's looking inside out. We look on the inside of the polygon, and that doesn't work with the U key. So we go to modify, and we go here, and then we go to invert polygons. And now I hope it will work. And it doesn't, and maybe it does now. No, it doesn't. I click on the U key. I don't understand. We go back again. Go to invert polygons. It doesn't work. Oh, I think I know why. Now it's going to work. Polymesh, invert polygons. Right? Now we're going to the U key. You see, now it's working. Wow. So what we want to do the next time is, I don't know how much time there is, but I want to do this too, this, and this, and then next time we want to go to polymesh and extrude along axis, and then going to work on it, making it a Phillips screwdriver.